Hello again, everyone. I wanted to jump over to week 7 so you can kind of take a look at what you need to get done for this week. This is your welcome to week 7 video, and I'll explain to you in that video about the training that you're going to be taking. This is the actual mandated child abuse training in this link right here. When you are finished with it, you're going to go down to the week 7 assignments, and there's a place to turn in the certificate. You can either take a picture of it, or you can email it to me, or you can even snail mail it to me if that's what you'd like to do. Just get a hold of me so I can give you my address, but I need that certificate that you completed this training. There's an assessment that goes with it, so you're going to want to have this ready so that you can fill out the answers while you're completing the training. So here is the place for that. Then there is a discussion board, and there's also, you need to read chapter 10. You do not have this available to you. There is a discussion board, or that you have to read chapter 10, and then there is a quiz that goes along with that. So that will say week 7 after I finish it. Anything below here is all stuff that you can't see that I can. So have a fantastic week, and if you have any questions, just give me a shout out with an email, or you can give me a call at my desk. Thank you. Have a great week.